Namaste. Today, let us understand an effective self-reflection technique. Why self-reflection? Because self-reflection helps us to dive in deeper, helps us to create immense inner healing. Self-reflection helps us to release heavy emotional blockages. For this, you need your quality time and a plain sheet of paper. Grab few color pens or color pencils. Sit calmly and try to represent yourself on this plain sheet of paper. Now, you don't have to be extremely artistic and put out your best creativity to draw yourself precisely on the paper. You just have to intuitively connect with your energy and try to bring in the most appropriate colors on the paper that reflects your state of mind and your emotions. For instance, if you've been disturbed in the past few weeks, I'm sure you'll be inclined towards using a lot of dark colors. And if you're feeling that joy, that celebration, or that sense of happiness in your heart, I'm sure you'll use a lot of bright, vibrant, or light colors around your auric field. Now, just try to see how certain feelings can be represented the best. You can also put few items or people around you if you want, but try to just see how it feels in your stomach, how does your mind feel, what colors or what sort of feeling do you feel around you, and what colors or what sort of patterns suit the best according to the thoughts that's flashing in your mind as you're sitting down in this meditative state, trying to represent your energy at its best on this piece of paper. I'm sure when you start doing this, you'll have a little bit of skeptical state of mind, like whether this color really matches with what emotions I'm trying to express. It doesn't really matter. You're just trying to create that bridge. So go ahead and just scribble around, or make that look very beautiful, or maybe you feel like just scratching few places. Do that, and then at the end of it, have a look at that drawing. How does it feel? Do you look happy? Do you look angry? Is there a lot of joy around you? Do you see a sense of festivity, or do you see a lot of discontentment, aggression? How does it feel like? What is the first thought that comes into your mind when you look at that final picture? And there you go. You're intuitively connecting with your energy field, your inner area, to find out which are those significant blockages on which you have to work. So, with this being a hint, let go of all the color pencils, keep aside the paper, close your eyes and sit in that state of calm. Now slowly, with a deliberate intention, put your focus on those significant spots or areas where things didn't really look very beautiful, where you just had that furious anger and that disturbance while scribbling few spots. Put your focus there and see what is the information that is coming out with those colors. And you will know where exactly is the blockage. What happened? Is it resentment? Is it anger? Is it your own laziness? Is it that you are unclear about few things and you're seeking clarity? Is it that you feel unsupported? Do you feel guilt? What exactly is calling for your attention? You can either try to break through this blockage by doing some affirmations or probably some prayers, or maybe just bring in the light of God or of your heart, forgive, let go, depending on what emotions is got stuck there, or just sit with yourself, because the minute you put your awareness on that resistance or that blockage, the beauty of the mind is it will start healing it automatically. You don't have to decipher it. You don't have to decode the whole thing. You don't have to understand everything. You don't have to know all the nuances of it. You just have to put your attention there, and eventually your inner mind, your inner awareness will start clearing those blockages for you. Isn't it a great process? I'm sure this is extremely easy to be done. But then if you do it a couple of times, maybe over a weekend, you will know how to connect with your energy field through the help of these colors. And yes, the minute you decide that you are going to understand yourself at a deeper level, you'll shift a lot of things in your brain. You'll stop pushing yourself to blame others. You'll stop nagging and grumbling about things and pulling your energy down. You'll stop leaking your energy significantly because you know where you've been losing energy. So, forget about what insights you get when you're putting it on the paper. You will become more awareful as you connect with the world around you. Self-introspection is extremely crucial because we don't have to really wait till somebody points the finger at you or starts that big list of complaint. If you're doing it for yourself, if you have that self-awareness, if you're here to be humble enough to rectify your flaws, if you know where to draw that boundary, how beautiful your life can be. And as a therapist, I would highly recommend this because you become a lot more conscious about the energy field. That is the real game changer, and the subtle level at which the changes should be made, so that it becomes a lot more easier for the thought to shift, for your brain to heal. Do let me know how you felt after you pull up a paper and start drawing yourself and try to analyze how you felt. If you have any doubts, do not forget to post your questions in the comment box. I'll be more than happy to address that. Next time, I'll meet you again with another useful tip on drugless therapy. Until then, please take care of yourself. Thank you so much for watching. Namaste.